I don't want to call myself an artist because I build machines. I start by finding mechanical solutions, and once I've got all those answers, then design comes into play. And even then, design, a lot of people see design as an art form, and I don't necessarily disagree with that, but I think the best design I found is when it's used to solve a problem. What is a pioneer? Pioneers are pursuing unexplored ideas, disregarding all obstacles to the desired goal. Sometimes it's a greater public benefit, but sometimes not. My name is Walt Siegl. I'm a motorcycle designer and builder in Harrisville, New Hampshire.